Hi guys! Today on Hot and Spicy Guyana, I will be sharing the recipe for saltfish and tomatoes, a delicious recipe that can be paired with fried bakes or dal and rice. For this recipe today I have 1 pound of saltfish, grated onions and garlic which I've mixed together with some tomato paste, onions, potatoes and tomato. After gathering all of the ingredients, I've then placed the salted fish into a pot of boiling water. After doing that, I've proceeded to adding the onion and garlic mixture to a pan of heated oil, onto which I will then add the rest of the ingredients. Now that this has sauteed and I have all of the flavors going there, I'm going to add my salted fish to this with some fried eggs as well, and continue frying for another 15 minutes. So guys, there you have it, my version of salted fish and tomatoes. I hope you enjoy and will make this recipe one of your own. Thank you. Until next time, bye.